Today, I thought I'd give a demo of a windowing feature in Android that may seem impractical to many, but I still like it even if it has limited use. It can be found when selecting the Recent Apps button from the navigation bar, then pressing the app icon above any app. Not all apps can window, but if they can, you should see at least a split screen option and possibly a pop-up option. I'll show you how I use the split screen option next. In this first example, I'm using Google Keep and Sam's Club to do my grocery shopping. I usually get both apps running before going into split screen mode. I do this because it puts both apps at the top of the selection list when starting split screen. Once both apps are open, the size can be adjusted by dragging the border between both app windows. The window will look really small, but I found it's not too hard to get used to. For these two particular apps, I'll make the Sam's app slightly larger than Keep to allow more space for the item images in the Sam's app. For this simple demo, I'm actually at Sam's buying dinner, which is not on any of my multiple shopping lists. I tend to shop for meals ad hoc, but while I'm here, I'll also get a couple of shopping list items. I'm trying to eat healthier, so I'll get this fish bento box for dinner. There was also a request for chicken wraps for dinner, so I'll grab that. I do remember seeing OJ on my drinks shopping list, so I'll grab that. Also, it is possible to switch lists within Keep without losing split screen mode. Also, if you've never been to Sam's and wondered why I'm scanning my groceries, it's to skip the cashier when I'm done. Through the app, everything is charged to a linked credit card, so the checkout process with an in-person cashier is eliminated. Makes the shopping experience a little better. This use of split screen, I thought, was kinda interesting. I have Google Maps opened in one half and DigiHUD, a speedometer, in the other. Also for this to work, Android's GPS location tracking must be turned on and set to high accuracy. The moving blue dot on the map is my current location, and the speed shown on DigiHUD is accurate to what's also displaying on my car's speedometer. Driving isn't the most exciting use of this split screen combination, but what was an interesting use of this was on my return flight from Japan. For maps to work in this situation, I had to bring up the map of my flight route before losing my Wi-Fi signal. Cell and Wi-Fi service is not needed for this to work. Once in the air, both apps will utilize GPS for current location and speed. It was also impressive to see DigiHUD monitor the correct speed of the plane at 500 plus miles per hour. There were times we slowed for some reason, and DigiHUD tracked those changes easily. Another fun example for using this app combo was while tracking my ride on the Shinkansen bullet train in Japan. There are many small prefectures on the ride from Tokyo to Nagoya, and watching how fast the buildings go by at 190 miles per hour, according to DigiHUD, was amazing. It's also funny to watch the blue dot on Google Maps move across the country. At the time, I didn't think of it, but I should have put maps in satellite mode. It would have made for a better overhead view. Windowing on a tablet is obviously more convenient with the additional screen size. From my own experiences, almost any two apps will work comfortably in split screen mode, and as I'm demonstrating here, pop-up mode also. A year ago, I had encountered quite a few apps that wouldn't allow for any of the windowing modes of Android, but over the past year, that's all changed. As for the apps I use, I don't know of any that won't go into a windowing mode. I'm glad app developers are making good use of this feature of Android. I'm thinking they must have initially thought, why bother? Who's going to want to do windowing on a phone with such a small screen? I don't know what eventually made them think otherwise, but I'm glad they finally did. It definitely helps make doing all my work on an Android tablet a lot more productive and easy. I hope this video makes your Android phone and tablet use a little easier. Leave any questions and comments you have in the comment section down below. That's all I have for now, and I'll catch you in the next video.